What's up everyone, this is Tony with Journey Crypto. I hope you're all having a great day. In this video, I'll be going over Ethereum versus Cardano as an investment, both short-term and long-term, and tell you guys what my plan is and which one I'm going to be holding primarily as well. So I will go into detail on this and talk about both as an investment, ETH and ADA. So before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and also hit the bell to be notified when I release new videos. I'm doing a couple videos a day, and this is very time sensitive information that I do go over. So real quick before we get started, since so many new people are getting into the crypto space, I want to warn you guys, there's a lot of scammers in the comments right now using YouTubers' names and logos. So this is a scammer trying to give you their phone number to contact you to steal your cryptocurrency. Basically, don't believe this. Always click through the profile to verify the source. So I also wanted to update you guys. I do have the cryptocurrency giveaway coming up for hitting 50,000 subscribers, just to give back to you guys and the community. Also, I'll have an even bigger giveaway for 100,000 subscribers coming up here very quickly. So I will let you guys know more about that. I'm just working out the details and getting that set up, and I will be working on that tonight. Also, I do have a pre-sale coming up for the cryptocurrency membership site, and I will give you guys more details on that. That's going to be very limited access and help give me funds to hire some people and make the launch as good as possible. So I will keep you guys updated on all of that in the upcoming couple of videos. I'm also probably going to do another video after this on a crypto market update, because there's definitely some important stuff I want to talk about what's happening. We are seeing a minor correction, and I will talk about what could possibly happen, so check that out in the next few hours. So jumping into the main topic, Ethereum versus Cardano, and which one is the better investment for both the short term and the long term in 2021. This is a topic a lot of people have been asking me about, and I do own both Ethereum and Cardano, and what I'm doing is slowly transitioning some of my investment from Ethereum to Cardano as I have high profits in Ethereum. So as I stated in a previous video, I did sell $50,000 worth of Ethereum for Cardano ADA, and I bought ADA around 27 cents before it pumped. It did go up to 35 cents and has corrected back, holding support around 30 cents now. So it is very possible we see Cardano ADA dip as low as 20 cents again, especially if we have a big correction for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And in my recent video, I did discuss this, a great buying opportunity for altcoins, and this is the opportunity I'm speaking of. If we do get a major correction here, the correction will be temporary in the long term, but that does give you a great opportunity to pick up the altcoins you want at an even lower price, because generally the price of altcoins are going to drop with the drop of Bitcoin and Ethereum. We also saw this in mid-March of 2020, major market crash where Bitcoin dropped as low as $3,400, and I saw Ethereum go as low as $87 that night for about an hour or two, and then it quickly recovered past $100. So Bitcoin and Ethereum are both over 10x from that market crash we had in March. So I think it's likely we're going to see some Bitcoin profits spill over to Ethereum soon, which is why I'm pretty bullish on Ethereum in the short term. So Ethereum is still under its all-time high price of $1,400 from the previous bull run, while Bitcoin is over double its all-time high price from the previous bull run. And institutions are buying both Bitcoin and Ethereum, but they're buying up much more Bitcoin, which I do think presents an opportunity to institutions to get into Ethereum at these low prices, the market cap only being $150 billion. So obviously Ethereum has huge room to grow still. If you're speaking of cryptos getting into the multi-trillions in market cap each, so Ethereum getting to 1 trillion, getting to 1.5 trillion would be a 10x for Ethereum from its current price, putting Ethereum at $12,000 per Ether. So I do think that's very likely in the long term. In the short term, I do see it breaking its all-time high. Keep in mind, we could have small market corrections at any point where we could dump 20 to 40%, but then quickly start recovering. So that's why dollar cost averaging is good, and I talk about that a lot, because doing that, you get opportunities to buy dips instead of going all in at one high peak price. So for Cardano, as I get profits in Ethereum, I'm slowly selling Ethereum to Cardano ADA, and I do think Cardano ADA is going to be the highest ROI investment for Q1 for the next 3 months, and that's because Cardano has a major network update coming, which is basically their final major update they need to get smart contracts going and start getting hundreds of cryptocurrency projects transitioning from other blockchains to the Cardano blockchain. So leading up to that Cardano mainnet launch of Goguen and smart contracts, I do think the price will be on a steady rise, but around that time, I really do think it will peak, especially depending on the type of announcements they have and any partnerships they announce as well. I think we could definitely be seeing Cardano ADA over $1 by the launch of Goguen, and then continue climbing throughout 2021 with other major partnership announcements and cryptocurrencies launching on the Cardano blockchain. I do think if Coinbase or PayPal list Cardano ADA as well, that'll be a major pump weekend. So that's why I'm creating a crypto membership site to give you guys this type of information and alert you as soon as this type of stuff happens. Because if you jump in right at the announcement, that's quick profit that could be made. You can make a quick 2 to 3x, which I've done dozens of times in the cryptocurrency space just based on news. So I also recommend following me on Twitter to catch crypto news as it happens at JRNY Crypto. I post here about 10 times throughout the day, different stuff that's happening. So in my opinion, Ethereum has higher potential for bigger profits in the short term, which is why I haven't transitioned and sold all my Ethereum for Cardano yet. Because I do think there will be moments where Ethereum will have much higher profit in the short term, and then as that happens, I could sell Ethereum at its peak price into Cardano. So I do believe Ethereum could be having higher profits by end of January, but after that, I think Cardano is going to have higher profits leading to the end of Q1, which is why I'm slowly transitioning, because I do want to catch that Ethereum pump before I transition and sell all of my Ethereum into Cardano, just so I could stack more ADA with time as well when you do this. So another reason I think Ethereum is going to break its all-time high is because Google search trends for Ethereum is at an all-time high, and I do show this regularly. I do recommend you guys use Google Trends to see which cryptocurrency searches are trending, just so you know what everyone is interested in at the time and what retail investors are paying attention to. So as we can see, worldwide Ethereum search for the past 12 months is peaking right now at an all-time high. If we zoom out to the past 5 years, we can also see this is much higher than the peak of the previous bull run, even where Ethereum was at its all-time high. So I do think Ethereum is very bullish and is very likely to break its all-time high here in the upcoming week. And it will depend if there's a temporary market correction, but I think things will start moving up very quickly if it does have a small dip. So if there is a dip, I'm going to be buying some Ethereum because I do think it will be testing $2,000 by the end of January. And then after that, I do think Cardano will have the spotlight mostly, and Cardano ADA will be moving upwards of $1 very quickly in my opinion. So one major reason why I'm slowly selling Ethereum for ADA is because the staking lockup period for Ethereum could be as long as 2 years or more. So Binance here stated that the period may take approximately 2 years, adding that users will be paid in BETH in the meantime. So Binance does have a way where you can still get paid, but for those that are staking their Ethereum, it's going to be locked up for multiple years, possibly even longer. And with the track record of Ethereum, I do expect delays on this as well. So who knows, this could be 2 to 5 years before the Ethereum is released from staking. So Cardano launched staking at the beginning of August, summer 2020. And this staking is already much better than Ethereum's. It's already paying out and it's not locked up for an extended period of time. So Cardano is ahead of the curve on that aspect, but Cardano still has to launch Goguen Mainnet, which will introduce smart contracts. Ethereum already has smart contracts, and that's why so many hundreds of cryptocurrencies launch using the Ethereum blockchain. But once Cardano has smart contracts, a lot of cryptocurrencies will transition from Ethereum and other blockchains to the Cardano blockchain. So really that Goguen mainnet update for Cardano is very important to the long-term success, which is why I'm so bullish. People are going to be buying Cardano ADA just in anticipation of this Goguen mainnet launch, which should be coming by March of 2021. So that's coming up very quickly. And then after that, I'm very bullish as well, because so many project announcements of projects launching on the Cardano blockchain and so many partnerships will come out of this, that I do think Cardano ADA is likely to be the highest return on investment crypto out of the top 10 for 2021. So if you guys want to learn more about staking, stakingrewards.com is a good website here. You can see all the projects that you can stake in cryptocurrencies and how much percent annualized return you could get on each project, as well as how much of the coins are locked up in staking for each project. So Cardano here has 70% of the total circulating supply locked in staking, which is massive. That's $6.5 billion locked in staking. People are buying up more and more ADA to take it out of circulation to put in staking as well, while people for Ethereum are not as likely to do this because it's locked for so long. So Cardano does have the advantage here, and this is why I'm so bullish on Cardano. Once Goguen launches, I think things are just going to be blasting off from there. So another thing we can look at here is the market caps of both projects. Cardano currently under $10 billion market cap, while Ethereum is closing in on $150 billion market cap. So that's 15 times higher market cap than Cardano. So if Cardano ADA did a 10x, that would put it around a $100 billion market cap, which is still much less than Ethereum's total market cap. And that would also put the price of ADA at $3 per ADA, currently being at 30 cents. So I do think Cardano ADA will be passing $1 leading up to Goguen. And then I do think $5 is a very conservative prediction for the peak of 2021 at some point. So a quick recap before I end this video. For the short term, I'm most bullish on Ethereum, but for the long term, I'm bullish on Cardano ADA. And we will be seeing Cardano become a major competitor to Ethereum blockchain during 2021. And I do think Cardano will be having the spotlight after the launch of the Goguen mainnet around March. And then throughout 2021, I do think that could easily pass multiple dollars, even touching $5 to $10 is very possible. So I hope you guys found this video useful. Please let me know in the comments below which one you're more bullish on, Ethereum or Cardano, for the short term and long term. I'd like to see what you guys think about this. Also, I have a few big videos coming up. I'm going to show you guys how I would diversify $1,000 if I was brand new to the crypto space, investing for the first time. I will show you guys a pie graph and the percentages on what I would buy to be diversified for long-term success. And I have some other big videos coming as well. I'm going to show you guys how I took out a crypto-backed loan, and that saved me $100,000 in Ethereum by not having to sell that Ethereum, and was able to get cash for what I needed instead without selling that. So some huge videos coming up. Please subscribe, like the video, comment below, and I will be keeping you guys updated on the giveaway and the cryptocurrency membership site as well. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.